In this training module, I'm going to show you how to benefit from imitating an expert. By the end of this training module, you should be able to have confidence that imitation is not just the highest form of flattery, it's also the easiest way to overcome the innovation bottleneck. On the screen, you're going to see two pictures. These pictures obviously represent the same type of creation, although made by two different people. Let me tell you the story behind these images. In the past, I've run a few road races and trail races. It's something I like to do in my pastime when I'm not writing patent applications. I haven't done a lot with my mementos in the past. I've either put them in a drawer, put them on a shelf, put them in a box, but I haven't ever put them up on the wall to display in any real formal fashion. I've looked around in the past to try to find some type of display that I liked. I've looked on Amazon, I've looked on other websites, and I've just never seen anything that really drew my attention. So one Saturday when I had some free time and I had some of my woodworking tools out of my garage, I thought I'm going to dig around. I'm going to get some of the old wood from my parents' fence that I replaced a year ago, and I'm going to build myself something that I feel proud of to display my mementos. When I was done, I actually liked it quite a bit, and I thought I'd like to share this with some other people in one of the Facebook running groups that I'm a part of. And when I posted this same picture on the left here, the one with the white background and the old 2x4 wood, I posted it on the Facebook group and I found out that there were a lot of people, a lot of other runners, who actually were really impressed and liked the design that I'd made. They asked me if I could make some for them, and I of course said no because I don't have the time to do that for other people. But I was impressed with how many people said that they liked the design that I came up with. In fact, several people said, "Do you mind if I copy that?" And I, of course, don't mind that. This isn't something where I'm trying to make money off of it or protect my own creations in this arena. So I told them, yeah, sure, make a copy. As long as you post a picture of it when you're done, I'd love to see it. So one person, after a weekend, came back and said, "Hey, Jeff, I copied your design. Look what I made." And he posted this picture on the right. And I thought, that's pretty awesome. He went and he actually copied my design. Not only did he make something out of wood that's kind of like what I did, he actually copied the board placement, the shift in the boards from top to bottom, the shelf that goes along the top. He copied several of the things that I did. Now, while I like mine better because I made it, his works really well and looks great. And he was super proud of it on his Facebook page. And I thought to myself, this is exactly what the ProApp Workshop is intended for. I'm not necessarily an expert at woodworking, but I am an expert at the patent process. And while somebody imitated my woodworking display that I built, and I'm perfectly fine with that, I'm also trying to make it easy for you to imitate my process and my approach to patents. Specifically, I believe that if I can show you some of the patents I've written, show you some of the applications I've filed, and walk you through my mental processes, that you can then take it and build your own provisional patent application. It's going to look a lot like the image here on the right. It's not going to look exactly like I would do it. It's not going to feel the same. It's not going to weigh the same. It's not actually going to be the same dimensions. But you're going to build something that works really well. You're going to be able to imitate as much as you want the look and feel of my approach to patents. This is going to be sufficient for you to take your idea and file it at the provisional patent application stage. You're going to be surprised at how easy it is to imitate what I'm doing in this regard. The provisional patent application is the perfect place to use imitation and to follow my expert guidance to get your own provisional patent application filed so you have patent pending status on your invention. In fact, you can imitate it once or you can imitate it 100 times. It doesn't matter to me. As long as you know this process of imitating an expert gives you the confidence to move forward in your innovation journey. That's it. You should now be able to think about imitation as a means to quickly and successfully get your inventions patent pending.